What is neurophysiotherapy and who needs it? If you or a loved one is struggling after a stroke, brain injury, or neurological condition, there is a hope for recovery, and it starts with neurophysio. People with neurological disorders often feels like they have lost control of their body. Simple tasks feel impossible. Movement becomes scary. Memory and balance may feel unreliable. I am Pankaj Mudgal, Masters of Physiotherapy in Neurology, and I work with people recovering from strokes, MS, Parkinson's, concussions, and more. We focus on retraining the brain-body connection, dual task training, example, walking plus mental tasks, gait re-education, stepping drills, obstacle training, coordination work, finger to nose, heel to shin, balance exercises, tandem stance, single leg stance, strengthening core and lower limbs. A young man post-concussion couldn't walk without dizziness and brain fog. Over 5 weeks, we worked on neuromotor control and balance. He is now running stairs again. Can neurophysio help older adults with memory and movement decline? Yes, we improve not just strength, but also brain processing, confidence, and coordination. Let's help your brain and body work together again. Book a neuro consultation now.